Welcome to the historically accurate princess dances. Today we are doing Gay Purree with Musette and the Cadettes. So take an adventure, a dance adventure with us as we do the French can-can line dance with Musette. And remember to like and subscribe all of our videos below and check out all of our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1, can-can kicks. We will do 2 sets of 8, starting with our right foot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I can-can and you can-can, so why should not you can-can? Who can-can like you can-can? Who can do can-can?
Step 2, Arabesque and Polka steps. Right foot first. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 3, polka steps and walk around turn. It looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you put it all together, it looks like this.
I can-can and you can-can, so why should not you can-can? Who can-can like you can-can? Who can do can-can like you can? And you make can-can to the polka wild hallelujah. You can-can like you can-can, in the can-can polka. 1 up, 2 up, knee up high and way you go. 1 shake, 2 shake, that's the way this polka goes. 1 kick, 2 kick, simple when you know the trick. Turn up, then down, do the can-can polka.
Want a happy dance? The can-can is the iconic dance of Gay Purree. Even the cat Musette enjoyed this high-stepping Parisian dance. So I put together some iconic can-can dance moves into a French cat can-can line dance. Why a cat can-can? I was inspired by the cat can-can dancers in the Moulin Rouge in the film Gay Purree. Musette's story is that of a French casket girl sent in the gay 90s, that's 1890s. Musette goes to a finishing school to be sold to a fat American cat when her training is complete. Gay Purree influenced and was influenced by other films. The can-can scene in the song Bubbles is a hat tip to the 1860s musical Can-Can. Musette was the inspiration for Duchess in the Disney version of Aristocats. Both films were set in 1890s France. These cats can dance. The can-can brings up scandal. The term can-can was a French slang for scandal in 1830s. The dance originated from a high-spirited gallop with additional kicks. In a period when a lady shouldn't be caught breathless or show her ankles, the can-can led to both. An effort to suppress it failed. By the 1850s, there was a movement to embrace the can-can as acceptable. In 1889, the Moulin Rouge dance hall opened. The can-can became one of their featured dances. Ladies could now make a respectable living dancing the can-can at this legendary dance hall. Famous French painter Lautrec made an advertisement for the Moulin Rouge of the famous can-can dancer Louis Weber. The can-can traveled from France to dance halls all over the world. In America, it became a hit in the Wild West, and it remains today as the Radio City Rockettes chorus line High Kickers. We filmed at Adventures in Dance using the song The French Can-Can. The background was photographed at the historic Silver Dollar Saloon across from the Tabor Opera House in Leadville, Colorado. It opened in 1879 and has not changed much since then. The oldest bar in Leadville bought their iconic bar from the Brunswick, Missouri. This is the backdrop for our can-can cats. So take an adventure, a dance adventure with the Cats Can-Can, and check out all our fun films at www.adventuresindance.com, and remember to like and subscribe to our line below and leave a comment.